Welcome back, Devin here. So in this video, we just picking up from the previous video that we talked about month, what to expect in month 10. So just going through what to expect in month 11. So you're just gonna check out some pagination, you can do some caching, unit testing, and integration testing. So unit testing, integration testing. In the previous like sprint, checked out some unit testing comprehensively, especially when it came to like dealing with some Python code. But this time, instead of working with the unit testing and testing like the modules in like, let's say for example in an application, you're seeing like how to test different components and see if they can work together. So in unit testing, you're only testing components to see if they work, but in integration testing, you're testing to see how these components, how can they work together. So you're gonna do a lot of that, and also a couple of interview questions along the way. Then you check out some basic, you're gonna check out also some basic authentication, sessions authentication, user authentication service. So many concepts, and those are the things, these are the concepts that like try to open your eyes and try to like make you understand how things work, especially when it comes to backend. I made sure to like detail all what you need to know, and I put them on my GitHub, so please be sure to check on there, and also follow me on GitHub, because that's the place where I go and thoroughly document my work, especially when it comes to like matters of software engineering. And this has just been a very, very great experience. It's been awesome. I honestly can say that it's been one of those like times where you just look back and you appreciate like the nuances when it comes to software engineering, and also just being keen on like work. So some interview questions along the way. Every week is an interview question that's released. It takes 4 days. So they keep varying and keep changing with like, every single week. And the projects continue to progressively get much, much, much more difficult, as we are accustomed to, especially when you're doing ALX stuff. I'm not marketing ALX, but all I'm saying is they just keep, upping the ante when it comes to these projects. And as I conclude, I must say it's been it was a very like tough month, but I thought it was tough until I saw last and final month, because in month 12 I checked out some Node.js basics, made sure to check out some Node.js, did some unit testing in Node.js, which was quite challenging. There's a queuing system in JS, did that as well. I'm not gonna get too much into that. And also checked out like the files manager project, which was mostly in dealing with some Node.js in there. And the last and final project, which is like the portfolio project I'm working on. I'm building an escrow system with my friends. Picked a group of guys that were working on the back end and also front end, but we're still back end engineers. So just working on some deep logic in there, just making sure that we're able to create something good to control like how the app works, especially in the background, and also deploy it in the process. So man, it's been crazy. I've made sure to like give you a what to expect series from month 0 all the way to the end, covering the backend track. So I'll be graduating the 10th of the October, so by the time you're watching this video I'll already graduated. I'll have made sure to release this video well I've finished, because man, it's right now I'm just working on towards right now, as per recording this video, I was just working towards like finishing up, cleaning up the project presentation and portfolio, and just present it to one of the mentors so that they can assess us. So yeah, it's been fun. I've loved every minute in ALX, and I also like see if I can drop another video just with just a thank you video on ALX, just to look back at what I've been able to achieve and what I've been able to accomplish. So yeah man, I'm out. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can get notified, and I'm out. Peace.